Did you know that the worst mobile killing machine in history wasn't tanks or planes, but men with clipboards? In 1941, 4,000 German soldiers called Einsatzgruppen followed the army into Eastern Europe. But these weren't regular troops. They were death squads with one job: kill everyone. They moved like a deadly assembly line. The moment German forces took a town, these units arrived. They rounded up Jews, Roma, and Soviet officials. Entire families, whole neighborhoods. Over 1 million people murdered in less than 2 years. Commander Otto Ohlendorf treated mass killing like a business problem. His men developed gas fans, trucks where victims were loaded in the back and killed by exhaust fumes pumped inside. The killing was so constant that soldiers started having mental breakdowns. Command had to distribute alcohol and rotate crews to keep the murder machine running. The most chilling part? They documented everything. Detailed reports sent to Berlin listed exactly how many they killed each day, what methods they used, what property they stole. Pure evil with perfect paperwork.